Ever wondered how much time we all spend on our phones? Brace yourself for this. On average, folks between 16 to 64 years old are on their phones for a whopping 6 hours and 37 minutes every day. Yep, that's almost like watching 3 movies back to back. And out of this, a big chunk, around 3 hours and 46 minutes, is just on smartphones. It's noteworthy that since 2013, global daily screen time has increased by 18 minutes. Now, let's play a quick game. Ask yourself, am I too attached to my phone? If you're like most people, you might think, nah, I'm good. But when asked about how long they're on their phone, the numbers surprise them. Now, before we dive into the main steps to break this addiction, let's quickly discuss the science behind it. Stick with me, and together, we'll find steps to reconnect with the world beyond the screen. Science behind phone addiction. Our smartphones are more than just devices. They tap into our brain's reward system using dopamine, a feel-good chemical. Every notification or social media like gives a dopamine hit, similar to a reward. Over time, we crave these hits, leading to increased phone use. Apps are designed to exploit this, making us seek constant engagement. This cycle can turn casual phone use into an addiction. A study from Harvard reveals how these dopamine-driven loops from our devices are making us more attached than ever. Now, let's discuss 5 steps to break phone addiction. Step 1. Self-awareness and acceptance. Recognize the issue. We've all been there. 1 minute you're checking a message, and the next, you're lost in the digital rabbit hole. The first step to regaining control is acknowledging the elephant in the room. Our phone habits might be spiraling a bit out of control. It's not about guilt, it's about awareness. Track your usage. Knowledge is power. For iPhone users, your device has a nifty feature called Screen Time that provides insights into your daily phone interactions. It breaks down app usage, notifications, and even how often you pick up your phone. Android loyalists, you're in luck too. Your device comes equipped with Digital Well-Being, a feature that offers similar insights. And for those wanting a deeper dive, Social Fever is a recommended app that not only tracks but also helps manage screen time. Reflect on feelings. Beyond numbers, it's essential to gauge our emotional state. After spending hours on the phone, do you feel content or a tad overwhelmed? Recognizing the emotional aftermath of screen time can be eye-opening. Set clear goals. With this newfound awareness, it's time to set boundaries. What does a balanced digital life look like to you? It could be designated screen-free hours, limiting certain apps, or setting tangible daily limits. With this newfound self-awareness, we're all set to dive deeper into breaking phone addiction. Step 2. Digital declutter. Organize your home screen. Think of your phone's home screen as prime real estate. Only the essential should take up space there. Those apps that pull you in for hours? Tuck them away on secondary screens or in folders. Out of sight can often lead to out of mind. Uninstall tempting apps. We all have those apps, the ones we open without thinking. And then, poof, an hour's gone. If an app isn't enriching your life or serving a crucial purpose, maybe it's time to say goodbye. It's like decluttering your closet. If it's not adding value, it's time for it to go. Turn off non-essential notifications. Every ping and buzz is a call for your attention. But do you need to know right away about every sale, every like, every update? By turning off non-essential notifications, you reclaim control over when and how you interact with your device. Unsubscribe and unfollow. Digital clutter isn't just about apps. Overflowing inboxes and endless social media feeds can be just as overwhelming. Take a moment to unsubscribe from those promotional emails you never read and unfollow accounts that don't uplift or inform you. Embracing a digital declutter is like spring cleaning for your tech life, creating a more focused and peaceful digital environment. Before we dive into the next step, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more valuable insights. Step 3. Implement phone-free zones and times. Bedroom boundaries. Your bedroom is a sanctuary, a place for rest and rejuvenation. Introducing a simple rule, no phones an hour before bedtime, can transform your sleep quality. And keeping it away from your bedside, that ensures you wake up to the world around you, not a screen. Mealtime mindfulness. Remember the times when meals were about conversations and savoring every bite? Let's bring that back. By making mealtimes phone-free, we not only nourish our bodies but also our connections with loved ones. Designated tech-free zones. Imagine a corner of your home where you can escape the digital noise. Whether it's a cozy reading spot or a calming meditation area, having a designated tech-free zone can be your oasis in a digitally saturated world. Scheduled breaks. Just as our bodies need breaks from continuous work, our minds need respite from the constant digital influx. Setting aside specific times in the day to disconnect allows our minds to refresh and recharge. By carving out phone-free moments and spaces, we create opportunities to reconnect with ourselves, our surroundings, and the people we cherish. Step 4. Replace digital activities with real-life interactions. Engage in hobbies. It's beneficial to allocate time for non-digital hobbies. Activities such as painting, reading, or playing a musical instrument can provide a fulfilling break from screens. They offer a chance to focus on tasks that stimulate the mind and senses in different ways than digital interactions. Physical activity. Regular exercise is essential for overall well-being. Incorporating physical activities like walking, yoga, or going to the gym not only promotes physical health, but also provides a break from digital devices. It's an opportunity to disconnect from the online world and connect with one's surroundings. Social connections. While digital communication has its advantages, it's crucial to balance it with face-to-face interactions. Spending quality time with family and friends without the constant interruptions from phones allows for deeper connections and more meaningful conversations. Mindfulness practices. Mindfulness activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and journaling promote staying present in the moment. Engaging in these practices can help reduce the urge to constantly check one's phone and provide mental clarity in a digitally saturated environment. By actively choosing real-life interactions over digital ones, individuals can foster a healthier relationship with technology and enhance their overall quality of life. Step 5. Stay accountable and reward progress. Share your goals. Openly discussing your intention to cut down on phone usage with friends or family can be beneficial. When others are aware of your goals, they can offer encouragement, remind you of your commitment, and help you stay on track. Set milestones. Large goals can sometimes feel overwhelming. By breaking them down into smaller, more manageable milestones, you can track your progress more easily and maintain motivation. For instance, if your goal is to reduce screen time by 2 hours daily, start with a 30-minute reduction and gradually increase. Reward yourself. Positive reinforcement is a powerful motivator. When you achieve a milestone, celebrate your success. This could be in the form of a treat, a day out, or any activity you enjoy. Associating rewards with progress can strengthen your commitment to reducing phone usage. Regularly review progress. Consistent reflection is key to sustained change. Set aside time, be it weekly or monthly, to review your screen time statistics. Assess how well you're doing in relation to your goals and adjust your strategies if needed. This regular check-in ensures you remain aware of your habits and can celebrate the progress you've made. By staying accountable and recognizing achievements, you reinforce the positive changes you're making in your relationship with technology. In conclusion, breaking phone addiction involves self-awareness, decluttering our digital space, creating phone-free zones, prioritizing real-life interactions, and staying accountable to our goals. By embracing these steps, we can foster a healthier relationship with technology. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.